Ever wondered how to make a healthy homemade burger? Welcome, my friends, to a culinary journey where we're going to transcend the traditional boundaries of fast food. Today, we'll be exploring the art of crafting a tasty yet nutritious burger right in the comfort of your own kitchen. We'll be using fresh, wholesome ingredients and a sprinkle of creativity. So buckle up and prepare your taste buds. Well, you're in for a treat as we guide you through a step-by-step process to satisfy your burger cravings in a healthy way. The magic of a great burger starts with the ingredients. Begin with lean ground meat, the star of our show, which provides protein without excess fat. Next, whole grain buns, a hearty choice that adds a nutty flavor and essential fiber. Fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and onions bring a crisp, refreshing crunch and essential vitamins. Finally, a low-fat sauce of your choice adds that extra zest, making each bite a savory delight. With all these ingredients ready, we're set to start cooking our healthy homemade burger. Now comes the exciting part, putting it all together. First things first, let's season the meat. You'll want to sprinkle a fair amount of salt and pepper on both sides of your ground beef. Remember, seasoning is key to a tasty burger, so don't be shy with it. Next up, shaping the patties. A handy tip to remember is to make your patties slightly larger than the bun, as they will shrink a bit during cooking. Also, try to keep them around 1 inch thick. Any thinner and they may dry out, any thicker and they won't cook evenly. Now it's time to grill. Whether you choose a griddle pan, a barbecue, or even a broiler, the principle is the same. Cook the patties to your desired level of doneness. For medium rare, that's about 3 minutes each side. Don't forget to flip only once to keep all those delicious juices inside. While the patties are sizzling away, let's get the vegetables ready. Slice your tomatoes, onions, lettuce, and pickles. Remember, the fresher the better. And now, the assembly. Start with the bun, then a layer of your favorite sauce. Add the patty, then stack the vegetables on top. Finish with another dollop of sauce in the top bun. And voila, you've just made your own healthy homemade burger. Let's quickly run through the steps again. We've gathered our fresh ingredients, prepared our lean meat patty, assembled it with crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and a whole wheat bun. Don't forget the secret to our healthier version, grilling instead of frying. And voila, we've transformed a fast food classic into a nourishing meal. There you have it, folks. A simple, delicious, and nutritious homemade burger. Give it a try and enjoy a healthier bite of your favorite comfort food.